So I'm replacing my Craftsman trimmer head with this one here, little Juey. I'm at the website so you can see what products they have. So the one on the left is the one I got, is for the straight shaft. The one on the right is for the curved shaft. The one in the middle is the heavy duty one, also for the straight shaft. And you can see the prices, $50, $90, and $50. I didn't get it here though. I bought it at Amazon for $32. And I'll show you in a minute what it came with. But the middle one there for $90, the Pro aluminum head for heavy duty work. Too much to pay. Does have some accessories. You can replace the cover, and that's the part I think would wear, from just taking it out to put the line in and then tightening it back on and so forth. And their line is kind of expensive. But if you get this, again, make sure that if you buy if you have a curved shaft, then you buy the corresponding one for the curved shaft. Otherwise, it's not going to work on you. This is just what the package here came with. Two lines. They're pretty thick. And if you want to double up, even though they're thick, you can get them through the hose that it has. It has 4 hoses, so you can pair one line with put a line through 2 hoses and then another one through the other 2 hoses, or you can just double up on 2 of the hoses. Installation is pretty straightforward. And here's what it came with: washers, the nuts, the bolts. On mine I use a nut. Make sure they're not all the same. So make sure that you try each one to make sure you take the one that fits the best. And those lines that it comes with were about 13 inches. Now here's my Craftsman then. I'm going to replace, or take off the head on this one. Like I said, I will keep it, just in case this thing wears down on me. Talking about the little Juey. So again, I have to anchor here with a screwdriver. And remember, on most straight shafts, these are going to loosen clockwise instead of counter. Normally you think, okay, to the right you're going to tighten it, but to the right in this case, you loosen it. And to tighten it, you go counterclockwise. And it's just worn down. You can see those big holes. It's missing some parts there. But when it was in good shape, I would just insert one right before I started edging. Easy to insert. Now this one was a little bit difficult for me because I have big fingers, clumsy fingers, and I couldn't get the nut started at first. I put it on with a washer. I don't think you saw, but I did put a washer in there. Then the screwdriver to anchor it. You have to drop into that bolt, and I was trying to get it started with my fingers, but I actually couldn't do it. The fingers are just too big. I got it started this way, and notice I'm turning to the left, counterclockwise. So I finally got it started, so now I'm going to use the drill. And again, I had to remember to make sure I had it in reverse. So I turn it counterclockwise. Here we go. Did it once, and it looks kind of snug. And just to make sure, I did it again. There you go. And then it's just a matter of actually putting the line through the hose on this cover, and then tighten it again to the left. See, I'm doing it this way, but I should have just put it in before I tighten it. But on the right, you can see on top there how I did it on my old head. Didn't have to turn anything, just put the line through the hose, insert it. And then this one, you control how tight you turn this, so you can use thick line, you can use thin line, and it's going to work. That's one advantage you have for this one, because you control how tight you put it. Here I just have one line. And then I took it out completely and then inserted two. Used all four hose for the two lines. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.